have to tell you, I've been watching everything going down. I've not been silent. I am aware. And so I decided to act in my own way. The way that Batman acts can't be predicted. And in this case, can't be predicted. Hello, cold, mild fiend. I'm going to rupture your spleen because you took my schedule away, infected friends and my family. And now I'm sitting here at my desk in a swivel chair, and you don't care. It's the sound of COVID. On small town streets I run alone. Everyone outside has their masks on. Even in the lines at grocery stores. And there are people that still ignore. But if you spit on produce at the local grocery store, it won't be ignored. You'll get beaten down by the grocery staff at the store and Batman. Out of fear they send us home. My only comfort is my phone. I'm now working on a swivel chair, out of rotations, but you don't care. And all the Zoom meetings are causing me so much pain. I've gone insane. I'm going to end the reign of COVID. Coronavirus, prepare for war. Viral particles and nothing more. I've come armed with hydroxychloroquine, ivermectin, and untested vaccines. I've social distanced and stood in line with stickers on the floor. And I've done more to prevent the spread of COVID. And the people ran amok. They're stealing paper from a truck. And now a Clorox wife's worth more than gold. They've gone extinct as far as I've been told. And the flour and yeast that have disappeared from the shelves. Must be those elves. They've conspired with COVID. And the medical staff still worked while the people went berserk. They're sent to work with insufficient PPE while people demand money for free. And some pastors are forcing their people to choose between medicine and God. I find that odd. What is wrong with you people? Why don't you find it strange when someone says, don't listen to that person, don't listen to that man, listen to this man. Send your money to God. My address is... Listen to Batman. This is not persecution. It's protection from a real threat. You are still allowed to openly gather on a public internet like no one's watching that, without fear of repercussions, without fear at all. That is not persecution, and it's a slap in the face of those who are being persecuted, like Batman is working tirelessly to deliver. Nor is it choosing against assembling. Don't listen to those fools. I digress. It's a Batman thing. COVID, when I find you, I'm going to knock letters out of your name. People for years from now will call you Cove, or Vid, or Kid, or something. But I'm going to bring the end to COVID. 'Cause I'm Batman. Yeah. Be of good cheer, people.